Back with the Cressida content. What we're going to do today is we're going to change the inner tie rod on the passenger side. I already did the driver's side. I could not find the passenger side. Ended up finding it in the trunk. So already got a car up on the jack stands. We're going to take the wheels off and we're going to do a semi-alignment just to get the car to drive around so I can go to the alignment shop and get it properly aligned. And yeah, should be a quick and easy job. So I'm just going to record this so you guys can have a quick idea of like how to do it. I'm going to eventually change out the whole front end, back end, all the suspension. We're going to do a ton of work on this car. I got a lot of plans. I have the 2JZ for this car as well. This is going into this. But yeah, just doing some maintenance. Alright, so I did not know that this is how this thing is set up. This is the one that I bought, and this is what came off the car. It seems like this bracket screws on to the outer tie rod, the inner tie rod, so I'm gonna see if I have to pull this to get this to come off and transfer this over to this. I'm gonna take some measurements, make sure it's the same thing, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so had to do a little intermission. So apparently, just did some research. I was definitely stuck. So there's a steering damper, and this is the bracket for it. I have no idea what this was. So that's why I got stuck. And this is the damper. It's like a shock, right? So it's this thing, which is obviously blown to bits. So this is no good anyways. So apparently, well, and these are discontinued as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, well, after I did the research, I found out that a specific model, Mercedes-Benz, I'm gonna leave all the info in the description, uses a similar part that'll work with the Toyota Cressida. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this inner tie rod again with the bracket. I'm going to figure out how to get this piece off. I'm also going to order this piece for the Mercedes and swap it onto here. Meantime, I'll take this over to my body shop and get this bracket removed, and then get everything put back together. But in the meantime, I'm just going to take this off and install the new inner tie rod, then put on this new outer tie rod that I already replaced, and then go from there. So new inner tie rod. So I think this is the locking bracket. So this locks up to the rack. I don't have the boot right now, so I'm just gonna put it on there. I don't care. So goes on here. I'm just gonna put that right here. Just there. Yep, that's it. So I'm gonna tighten this up, put on the outer tie rod, put a new bolt on. Make sure you put this on first before you put on your outer tie rod. And you put this guy on there. There you go. This on there. Then I'm gonna eyeball align it, then take it to the alignment shop. So I'm gonna fit this up, then we should be good to go. All right, so alignment's partially done. Wheel is back on. I gotta take it to the alignment shop. I'm gonna take it out, see how it drives, how it feels, and yeah. So stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of stuff on this car, like I said before, and yeah, stay tuned.